Hey, tiny artists! Today we're going on the sweetest mission ever to draw a magical donut. First, let's make a big round chubby circle. And two cute eyes. A little shine. Wow, it looks like a tiny cute moon. Now for the secret part, the whole poof. Where did it go? Did the donut eat it? Nope, that's just where all the happiness lives. Time for the yummy part. Sprinkle. And we sprinkle, 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 shake, shake, shake. And the most fun part, coloring. Let's give it pink chocolate frosting. So smooth. While I'm coloring, please like and subscribe. Let's color the remaining part yellow. Now let's color our beautiful sprinkles. Colorful sprinkles. Now let's color our beautiful heart. We will color it red. And for cuteness, we will add some other hearts too. Our donut is getting ready for a birthday party. Coloring our eyes too. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Some eyelashes and our donut is ready. 1 point, the outline of our hearts, just like this. Our donut is ready. Bye bye.